Today all the plastics are coming off. Everything's going. Because we got the new ones coming in, so might as well get her all naked. So actually, real quick, shout out to my dad. He got me this pretty decent toolkit, and look at it. Have tons of sockets, and actually have torque stars. So that's why I've been holding off, taking off the plastics until I actually get some torque stars. So yeah, I came with torque stars, so now we could actually make this video happen. So big thanks to my dad. It's not even Christmas because this is my Christmas present. It's the 24th right now. It'll probably be later when I post this video, but I'm just making it now because obviously I can. So yeah. So yeah. Thanks, Paps.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's home to me, and I walk alone. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one, and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone and I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone.
So this bike is actually really tall for the size it is. So I'm gonna put the skid plate back on just for now. So it'll lift it up the ground just a little bit higher so I can take the wheels off so I can clean them. I'm gonna paint them. This will be good. So yeah. Okay, so now that I got the skid plate on, I'm gonna try and put that on. Okay, so I'm gonna take the front tire off, and then it's gonna get off balance. So we need to get in the front, take off the back tire. Take off the back tire, front tire. I'm gonna lean on that.
Read between the lines, what's up and everything's alright. Check my vital signs and know I'm still alive, and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone.
Just by putting the axle back through, put the spacer in. On this side, it's a good way to store it so you know which way is which, you won't forget. Also recording, so that's the thing, that's good. Recording what you do is also very helpful. So yeah. Probably get new bearings for it, maybe not. I'm probably just gonna lube them up too. Clean them up, make sure there's no dirt in them. I'll paint the rims, clean them, make sure they're all good. And yeah, look. This used to be an SSR. Looks nothing like it now. So yeah. I'm probably just gonna end it here. Actually, hold on, let me figure out what time it is and I might clean it up more. Okay, so it's only 12:30 apparently. And so I'm just gonna clean the wheels up. So yeah. Have some clean rims. That'd be pretty cool.
You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's bored. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is turning, changing each day. With mommy and daddy, I'm finding my way. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring, I'm
So yeah, this is the stuff I use. That gets it from work. This stuff is crazy concentrated. It's kind of absurd. So yeah, it's the stuff I've been using. Works really well. So yeah. So, you know.
Caillou, Caillou, I'm Caillou, Caillou, I'm Caillou, Caillou, I'm Caillou.
So yeah, you can tell by the parts that did dry already, these wheels are faded, they're nasty, they're rusty, they're just gross. So yeah, I'm gonna paint them white. Another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some of those tire pins. I'm gonna paint these white. So I have like some white letter walls. That'll be pretty bad. So yeah. Took the wheels off. Took everything off the frame. I might do a big bore kit. Make them pretty cheap, just for a couple $100. I know I'm gonna get different colored handlebars because these are. See, look at the stock paint isn't very good, or at least it faded off already. So yeah, see it's all faded. I'm gonna get new ones too. Probably gonna paint them white too, or get white ones. I'm gonna get pro tapers just so I know their quality. I had some of my TTR, and you know that thing survives. So yeah. New exhaust is definitely gonna come in. Might do a new case too. So yeah, I might get some high temp paint and paint that rusted part too. Definitely getting new brake pads. Oh, new chain, new sprocket, new chain guard, new chain slider. I'm definitely going to get a stiffer shock and probably brake suspension in the front too. All this stuff's pretty cheap on eBay. That's a good thing about this bike. I don't have to spend a lot of money to get good parts. So, yeah. Yeah. Now I gotta edit like 300 years of footage.